Fueled by digital technology and the Industrial Internet of Things, or IIoT, the fourth industrial revolution, Industry 4.0, is here. Digital factories are using smart manufacturing to leverage model-based design, MBD, and product manufacturing information, PMI, to complete the digital thread. CAMWorks' new tolerance-based machining automatically selects the correct machining strategies based on the MBD and PMI tolerances, automatically machines to the mean of asymmetric tolerances, recognizes surface finish symbols, and automatically selects the correct machining strategies to meet the tolerance and surface finish requirements. CAMWorks is the only CAM system available that combines this state-of-the-art technology with feature-driven, intelligent machining using its knowledge base. This combination automates much of the programming work as compared to traditional CAM software by up to 90%, improves quality, and gives you a faster return on your investment. Thanks to its automation and seamless integration, SOLIDWORKS selected CAMWorks to power SOLIDWORKS CAM, the new fully embedded CAM system for SOLIDWORKS, and all of the data from SOLIDWORKS CAM is fully compatible with CAMWorks. CAMWorks was the first gold partner CAM solution for SOLIDWORKS and is the gold standard for machining SOLIDWORKS models. Integrated CAD-CAM is the future, and CAMWorks runs directly inside SOLIDWORKS, and the design and manufacturing model become one and the same, so you can rest assured the part you machine is the same as the part model. All of the CAMWorks data is stored directly inside the SOLIDWORKS part or assembly file, is seamless with PLM systems, and with true model-to-toolpath associativity. The toolpaths update automatically to changes made to the design, saving you time and reducing the chances for human error, while eliminating time-consuming rework. CAMWorks puts you ahead of the competition by reducing cycle times a staggering 80% and increasing tool life by an astonishing 500% with CAMWorks Volu Mill, the ultra-high-performance toolpath generator for high-speed machining. And CAMWorks is the complete integrated CAM solution for all your CNC machines. Whether you have vertical or horizontal machining centers, complex 5-axis milling machines, 2- or 4-axis turning centers, wire EDM machines, or complex multitasking mill turn centers, CAMWorks can do it all. CAMWorks APIs can completely automate the manufacturing process and complete the digital thread without requiring user interaction. With thousands of users worldwide and years of real-world experience, CAMWorks knows that when it comes to success, training and support are essential. That's why CAMWorks has established a well-trained and highly responsive global support network of value-added resellers with CAMWorks certified support engineers. CAMWorks. Program smarter. Machine faster. For more information, contact your CAMWorks reseller or go to www.camworks.com.